天由国际焊接技能大赛组委会等部门主办的2016第4届国际焊接技能大赛在北京举行。来自德国、俄罗斯、南非、乌克兰、韩国等25个国家的59支代表队参赛。
We had held the 2016, the 4th Beijing Art Cup International Welding Competition on June the 19th to 22nd of 2016, Beijing, China. There were a total of 304 competitors out of 59 representative teams from 24 overseas countries, including the European Welding Federation, Australia, Belarus, Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Canada, Germany, Ghana, India, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Portugal, Pakistan, Romania, Russia, South Africa, Singapore, Spain, South Korea, Serbia, Thailand, Ukraine, plus 17 China state-owned large enterprises and 15 vocational schools participated in the Art Cup competition. In addition, more than 700 attendants witnessed the high-level international competition together. The competitors represented their own countries since they were the national welding competition winners.
Most of the competitors are national welding competition winners, so Art Cup welding competition represents world welding skill level.
The 17 participating teams from China state-owned large enterprises covered almost the whole fundamental industrial sectors related to welding, such as aerospace, aviation, energy, traffic, marine, and so on. These competitors have represented well the Chinese manufacturing industries associated with welding. All competitors did their best through all competition events. Finally, the European Welding Federation representative team and the China CRRC representative team received the group gold medals. Individual competition winners were from many countries. In addition, a Welding Performance Award and an Excellent Paper Award were created in this Art Cup competition. Since 2008, the Art Cup International Welding Competition Organizing Committee and its member countries, including the United States, Belarus, Bulgaria, Germany, South Korea, Mongolia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Ukraine have always insisted on innovation and advancement. During the 2016 4th Beijing Art Cup International Competition, the skills examination was more comprehensive and the assessment was more objective and accurate within the participation of international judges. The overall quality has shown that 50% competitors have reached the world first-class standard. The Welding Performance Competition formed a platform for the welding masters to show their advanced welding skills, including underwater welding, pressurized welding, non-ferrous metal welding, rare metals welding, and so on. Besides, the homework completed by each representative team was also innovative and interesting. The Art Cup competition played a leading role on the technology advancement of robot welding, automatic welding, and intelligent welding, etc. The concurrent event is 2016's second international conference on Manitech and Scales, as well as the Arc Night, provided opportunities for all participants the opportunity to exchange, communicate, and interact together.
The Arc Cup International Welding Competition also provides a platform for worldwide vocational welders to show their advanced welding skills. IIW will fully support this competition and hopes it develops into the World Arc Cup.
As the associated event of IIW, the Art Cup competition received the full support of the International Institute of Welding, IIW. Representing IIW, the Director of Board of Directors, Mr. Chris Smallbond, has issued a specially made metal commemorative plate for the Art Cup Organizing Committee. Today, There are both challenges and opportunities for the world manufacturing industry. Advanced manufacturing and Industry 4.0 need global exchange and cooperation. We hope the Art Cup competition contribute more for the world welder's dream. Let's move forward together.